Hello, my people. Una all done. Una good day. I greet everybody according to their time. Oh, this one get us a bill. This one jollificate my body. This one make me yori yori. This one make me laugh well well. It happen say one man don't show say him be man for obodo oyibo the way e take handle him pikin when be say wahala not dey he no need to beat him pikin, he no need to shout for him pikin, but he put him pikin for him level make he know say yes na him be the father for the house, na him be the man of the house, na him be him daddy. So wetin happen this small girl wey be 10 years old, e come happen say this small girl e come dey behave one kind for house. E come happen say e come dey even dey tell him papa say him don get boyfriend. You know say for there children dem dey sabi talk to parents the way dem wan talk. If dem just tell you you no fit beat dem, you no fit do dem anything, if you beat dem finish na the people wey dey for government dem go come carry you go put for one place where you go for cool off your head. I sure so una know wetin I mean by that. So na im make most parents for obodo oyibo here no dey fit beat their children even if dem wan correct dem. And they don for oyibo here, oyibo land for here, dem no believe say to dey beat pikin na im be way to correct pikin. Dem believe say there are other ways for you to take correct your pikin if the pikin dey do bad thing. So na the method na im this obodo oyibo man take do when he take correct him pikin. So he no beat him pikin, he no shout for him pikin, he no do anything, but he just use diplomatic way take correct him pikin, put him pikin for him own level. Wetin happen be say this 10 years old girl, he don get as he don dey do yama yama for house sotey him dey let him papa know say he don get boyfriend. And from wetin him papa talk, he say him don hear him believe him pikin don dey let people know say he no be 10 years. He dey tell people say him be 14 years old, 15 years old. He say he dey even dey tell some people say he don reach 18 years old because say of the age wey him dey let people know, tell people. So if he be say those people no know say he never reach that age, na im make dem dey go dey check the little girl say dem wan dey go out with him pikin. The papa, wetin the papa come do? The papa say wahala no dey o. I know say if I beat you, they will come arrest me say I beat you. So him papa just do the necessary thing wey he suppose to do when e no go cause wahala. Him papa do finish, he go buy t-shirt, pink t-shirt wey represent woman own. As he buy the t-shirt, he come write for front of the t-shirt say I am 10 years old. He write am big bold, may not be say even person wey no dey see, when he blind he go see am say him papa write for front of him pikin t-shirt say him pikin na 10 years old o. You know, when he put am, he come give the girl say na that one he go dey wear go school. Wetin the papa come still do again? He come make sure say the pikin hair when he dey dress well well dey carry go school, he come make sure say him use all this ribbon when they take dey dress small pikin hair, new baby, all these children wey just dey grow. He make sure say he use and dress him pikin hair. Una see the ribbon wey he take do him pikin hair, he come make am small small. He come really do am like say the girl na really small pikin. He really make sure say he present the girl to people say na small pikin. Even the school bag when they go, he make sure say him buy school bag wey still befit am, wey be say people go know say na small pikin him be. E happen say all the fine fine clothes when the girl when take dey make yanga, like when they take dey make yanga kurukere when take dey waka for school, when they make all these small small boys dey run follow am, they can't stop all those clothes. E no see cloth when they wear go school, when they make yanga follow boys like that. When you go dey waka, go dey shake yansh go left, shake and go right, shake and go left. Now they cause all this kind of wahala for themselves. So all those kind of things, e don come stop. When be say papa don come buy, he buy better t-shirt when he go dey wear. Una dey see the t-shirt now, una dey share for there. So na wetin papa do, because papa say he no fit shout, he no wan quarrel, he no wan go where they will go put him for there, put him for one corner, making the receive punishment. Whereas na him pikin they supposed to tell say he not supposed to dey behave like this. And wetin come still happen be say this small girl wey I dey tell una so, he can't go enter social media. e can't dey social media, and for her age she not supposed to dey social media, is against the law. So na the thing wey papa do when he can't take put e pikin for the right track. So I say make I let my people know wetin dey happen for obodo oyibo. So I wan ask parents, even family or young people, this particular act wey im papa do, wey take deal with im pikin, e good abi e no good? So I wan make parents, family, everybody leave comments for the comment section. Make we know whether wetin im papa do, whether e dey right or wrong. So na the matter be this. So na wetin happen na be this, because the reason why I dey ask all these questions, you know, e get one broadcast for Nigeria some time ago, about 2 or 3 years ago, where one girl for school, e carry eyelashes go school. Im mama na from im mama house. Im mama know say na im mama come drop im pikin for school. E carry eyelashes go school. Na there trouble come burst out, when e be like say the gate man no let am enter school. When they come begin dey fight, the woman dey support im own pikin, say dem no get right to tell the pikin make e no go school. So all those kind thing na we dey try see the comparison as that woman take handle the issue, whether e good when they even dey follow the school people dey fight, say dem no get right to talk to im pikin, make im pikin go back because im dey pay for school fees. But even if you dey pay your school fees for your pikin, other children sef dem dey pay school fees, but you no go come use your own come take spoil other children own when e dey the school. Because once the other children don see say the girl carry eyelashes come school just like that, and dem no do anything, dem no drive and go back, the other children when they go to school, they will begin to do the other thing, because school get rules, standard rules when we say they need to follow. So now wetin be this? But the way when this man take actually handle this in pikin, for my own perception, na my own opinion be this, I believe and I know say the man do this thing well. He no wan quarrel, he no where him dey. I know say him dey obodo oyibo. If to say him use more drastic action, he go come be say na the man himself, na him people go come dey blame, say you know say you dey this kind country, dem no dey do pikin like this, you no fit dey harsh for the pikin, you no fit beat pikin. But right now him put him pikin for him own level. My people, make una let me know wetin una think about this situation, or if na una dey the situation, wetin una for do, or abi una go do the same thing wey the man do. My people, na the matter be this. Na God go bless una and make una help me share this broadcast. At least this one go still educate some of our parents, you know, papa, mama, sister, you know, may educate us on how to observe little changes for our children body, so that we will feel curb or to reduce or to try eradicate those problems before e don come big. My people, make una help me share this broadcast. I love una too much. May God bless una. Bye.